Hello and welcome to this video on how much weight a gazebo can hold. Gazebos are popular outdoor structures that provide shade and protection from the elements. But if you plan on using your gazebo for activities like hosting parties or setting up a hot tub, you may be wondering how much weight it can hold. The weight capacity of a gazebo can vary greatly depending on its size, material, and design. A smaller gazebo made of lightweight materials may only be able to hold a few hundred pounds, while a larger, more sturdy gazebo made of metal or wood may be able to hold up to 1,000 pounds or more. It's important to check the manufacturer's specifications for your specific gazebo to determine its weight capacity. You can usually find this information in the owner's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Additionally, you should be mindful of the weight distribution within the gazebo. Even if the gazebo itself can hold a lot of weight, concentrated loads in one area may cause the structure to become unstable. To ensure the safety of you and your guests, it's always a good idea to err on the side of caution and not exceed the recommended weight capacity of your gazebo. Thank you for watching.